How to change your YouTube profile picture on your phone. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your YouTube profile picture using your phone, and it works on both iOS and Android devices. So first, what you have to do is you have to go to your Play Store or App Store and search for YT Studio. After you search for YT Studio, you will see an app like this. You have to install this app, and after you have downloaded and installed the app, you have to open the app and then sign in with your YouTube account. And once you sign in, you have to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner here, and then tap on edit channel profile. And here you can see you get the option to change your profile picture and also your cover profile picture. So to change your profile picture, tap on your profile picture here, and you have to give permission to access your photos and media on your device. So give permission and tap allow, and then you can take a picture if you want from your camera, or you can select any picture from your gallery, and after selecting, it will be uploaded on your profile picture. So this is how you can change your YouTube profile picture on your phone. Thanks for watching.